Today we'll be discussing Contract Insight Enterprise Edition. Contract Insight allows users to track and manage the full contract lifecycle from initiation or the request of a new contract through drafting, review, approval, execution, and post-execution compliance tracking. To get started, let's log into Contract Insight. The system supports a standard username and password or single sign-on. When logging into Contract Insight, you will see a personalized homepage known as the dashboard. The dashboard is configurable, so users can customize what's shown to best meet their needs. The dashboard includes personalized launchpads for quick actions like submitting a request, checking on contract statuses, and other actions that are important to the user. It also includes intelligent tiles for key business reports, like pending requests, number of contracts expiring in the next 30 days, contracts at risk, and much more. Below the tiles are detailed reports that you can view at any time by clicking on the expand arrow. These sample reports include information relevant to the user who's logged in. In this example, there's an open task list that outlines contract tasks in a list view, showing us information associated with the items that need to be completed, and then all the contracts expiring within the next 90 days. So we can see contracts coming up for renewal or take action if we have to terminate before X amount of days. It also contains a calendar that shows upcoming tasks and contract key date alerts. Some users prefer one large calendar, while others prefer just to display reports. In addition to reports in the calendar, users can pin resources like charts, graphs, and web pages. Tasks can be generated through automated review and approval workflow processes, and users can configure and add additional tasks for to-do list items, milestones, deliverables, payments, obligations, and much more. Users will see these alerts when they log in, and they'll also receive an email or calendar alert containing the information. The email contains contact overview information and the associated alert. Users can click the link in the email and go directly to the associated contract page. This saves users time by taking them directly to the information that they need to review or take action on. On the menu bar on the top of the screen, users have a notification center. Here, you can access your open notifications and work on them. As you address and complete each notification, they'll be removed from your notification list. Contract Insight also includes an in-system chat feature that allows users to easily collaborate with real-time messaging. Now, we will be walking through adding a new contract record to the system. While users can easily create a new contract record by selecting contracts within the main menu and choosing either adding a contract record or adding a contract with Wisdom Artificial Intelligence, users are also offered an additional streamlined record creation option with Contract Insight's AI-based drag and drop feature. After dragging and dropping the desired document into the designated file drop area within their browser, the user can select the type of record they would like to add. Upon selecting contract, for example, the user will be prompted to select the appropriate type of contract they would like to be added through the feature. Now please note, the system provides contract types out of the box, but users are also able to create as many custom or user-defined contract types as they see fit. Depending upon the record type that is selected, the user will be prompted to fill out and/or review a specified list of metadata fields. For demonstration purposes, I will be working with a consulting agreement. Once the document is run through Wisdom AI, you will notice that the system will display a preview on my file on the left side of the page and my fields to the right. We can also choose to view what data Wisdom's intelligent extract feature has pulled from the document in a categorized list. For this contract, Wisdom auto-extracted and populated key pieces of data like the counterparty, contract amount, effective date, and other important information. The user can click on the Intelligent Extract tab to see the extracted information in an easy-to-understand view. The user can then easily confirm or update information as needed. These extraction rules are very configurable, so the user can determine what pieces of data the system is programmed to extract within their system. Once the data is confirmed, the user can then click Save and Continue. They are then brought to their contract details page. Each contract added to the system has a details page associated with it where users can view all of the contract information. These details are fully searchable and reportable. The key dates section can generate automatic notifications to the appropriate users based on the contract key dates and is configurable so you can capture all of the necessary information. Beneath the contract details fields, there's a section for files and attachments. Users can upload relevant files and attachments such as Word docs, PDFs, spreadsheets, and emails to the contract record. You can upload a single file, browse your file explorer, or drag and drop one or multiple files at a time into the blue box. Each file can have a note and a category associated with it, and you can tailor the list categories in your system. Users can also import documents from their cloud apps like Microsoft OneDrive or Google Drive. Users can create folders and subfolders to easily organize the appropriate documentation associated with the contract. Within the Files and Attachments toolbox, there are additional file-specific features such as document text comparison, automatic OCRing, electronic signature options, and much more. Beneath the Files and Attachments section, users can view the status of a contract's workflow process. For this example, you can see completed workflow tasks such as legal review, finance review, counterparty signature, and an open review associated with this agreement. At any time, you can interject one-off tasks to add additional review steps, deliverables, milestones, to-do lists, alerts, and much more. Keep in mind, the workflow is configurable, so users can choose what review and approval steps they would like to display on the contract record. Your review and approval steps can vary, so if you have different review processes based on the contract type, department, dollar amount, or other key information, you can tailor the workflow to meet your needs with options for task escalations and even delegations. There are 3 optional sections on this contract record. Users can capture and search for checklist and milestone items, budget and funding information, and pricing line item information. Below that, there's a notes and comments section where users can enter and save notes and comments associated with this contract record. Authorized users can dynamically author documents from your organization's templates with merging field data and clauses from your pre-approved language library. As an example, let's say you have 2 different governing laws that you're able to agree to. You can set up both in your clause library, and then, based on the location or entity assigned to this contract, the system would know whether to pull in clause A or pull in clause B. For this example, we will select the consulting agreement template, and when we download it, it opens up in Microsoft Word. The templating tool is integrated with Microsoft Word, so data pulls from the contract record, like the effective date, the counterparty name and their address, the contract amount, and other key data throughout the body of the document. A feature can be enabled to automatically lock the contract and track changes once the data merges for added control throughout the negotiation process. CobbleStone offers an optional PC tool that integrates directly into Microsoft Word and puts a CobbleStone tab in your Microsoft Word main menu ribbon. With this integration, authorized users can click on the CobbleStone tab to swap clauses from their clause library and upload this version into the system as a new version. The toolbar on the left side of the screen has many actions that vary based on the page that you're on. In this case, our contract-specific actions include a company info button that allows users to view the company profile of the counterparty and see their company and contact information, as well as other details like business certifications, insurance certificates, and more. A one-off email button that allows users to email directly out of the system to internal and external parties with or without files attached. A financials button to easily track budget spent or income received. A set legal hold button in the event that there are any disputes or litigations that arise. This function freezes the record so users cannot delete data or files during discovery. By clicking the hierarchy button in the toolbar, users can see how this contract relates to other contracts in the system in an easy to understand graphical or tree layout. Contract Insight Enterprise Edition allows users to easily search and report off data stored in the system. 2 ways to search in Contract Insight are with Quick Search and Simple Search. Quick Search, located in the header menu, is a simple and easy way to find contract information. If we're looking for all contracts within our Operations department, we can type in Operations in the search bar, hit Enter, and see results for everything in the system containing the keyword Operations. We can narrow the results down further by filtering the results. So if we only want to see operations contracts with a status name of active, we can type in active in the status column, click =2, and see the results drop from 20 to 8. When you find the document you're looking for, you can click on the View button to open it or export the list out to Excel, or switch columns on this page so you can sort and filter different pieces of information. The system is able to highlight the pages of a document that contain a keyword, term, or phrase that a user searches for. The system will also outline the query text within a preview of the document. Simple Search is a field-specific search and is commonly used for one-off searches. Rather than searching through all of your fields and files, you can select a specific field to search in. If you're looking for contracts associated with a specific counterparty, you can select the counterparty, such as ABC Suppliers, click Search, and the results will only show contracts assigned to ABC Suppliers. Simple Search has a lot of the same features as Quick Search, such as column filters, the View button, and exporting capabilities. If you find you're searching for the same things repeatedly, create an ad hoc report. Ad hoc reports are like saved searches, so you can easily access key data in your preferred format. An example of an ad hoc report is a list of all software contracts expiring within 30 days assigned to the IT department. Users can pin these to their dashboard or have them emailed out on a recurring basis. In addition to the ad hoc reporting tool, CobbleStone offers additional reporting options located under the Reports and Searches option on the main menu bar. Our Custom Report Designer is an advanced style of reporting that allows users to build KPI reports, detailed financial reports, graphical views of your contract data, and much more. Additionally, there are quick stats available for task productivity analysis to identify bottlenecks and optimize your processes, as well as artificial intelligence and machine learning tools such as risk analysis capabilities and risk mapping tools to help with your contract management strategy. The How Do I option on the left-hand toolbar provides users with quick links to a full online user manual, an online wiki, and tutorial videos associated with the page that we're on for on-demand, self-service user support to ensure your success. It's time to get started with CobbleStone's Contract Insight contract management software. To schedule a full, personalized demonstration of Contract Insight, sign up at CobbleStoneSoftware.com or call us at 866-330-0056. Thanks for watching.